Every year, NEET MDS aspirants lose marks on this exact same pedontology question. And it's not because they don't know the classification, it's because they're memorizing it. Today we'll learn how to remember it instead of going deep into this recent periodontitis classification as to grading and staging. The staging tells about how severe it is the disease, and grading tells about how fast it is progressing. Staging is for S severity. In severity, whenever it comes, you first call, right? So call clinical attachment loss. So all this tiny crack in the castle represent the clinical attachment loss. Coming to stage 1, the tiny crack. Castle 1 has just 1 to 2 mm of crack. That's your call. 1 to 2, nothing to do. Bone loss is under 15%, still in the coronal third, and no teeth loss. Castle 2, 3 to 4, a little more of bone loss, and still there is no tooth loss. Castle 3 is where things get serious. The crack is now 5 mm and more, 5 and beyond. Damage goes strong, bone goes down, and teeth leaves the town. Bone reduces more than the middle third. Teeth also starts falling off. A funny way to remember the furcation involvement is seen in the stage 3 and stage 4. You can also see there is a vertical bone loss of 3 mm and 4 in stage 3 and stage 4, whereas there is horizontal bone loss in stage 2 and stage 1. Separates them is tooth loss. 4 teeth or fewer is stage 3. 5 or more teeth loss is stage 4. You also need to know how fast it is happening. That's grading. 3 messengers race across the land: a tortoise, a cyclist, and a race car. Grade A, grade B, and grade C tells about how fast the severity is progressing. Here's the shortcut to remember easily this grade C. Remember this 2 and 10-7 rule. 2, more than 2 mm of clinical attachment loss, and percentage of bone loss per age is more than 1. More than 10 cigarettes per day, 7. More HbA1c level more than 7. All these features belongs to grade C. And if you go to backwards and lower the number, it is grade B, and almost 0 or little more is the grade A. Examiners also give the bone loss and age. You should calculate the percentage. If it comes less than a quarter coin, then it is grade A. If it is between a quarter to 1 rupee coin, then it is grade B. And if it is more than a 1 rupee coin, it is grade C. Smoking and diabetes are the 2 risk factors. For smoking, you can remember your 10 fingers, 10 as the number, and for diabetes, you can remember the HbA1c the level 7. Let's quickly solve this MCQ. A 50-year-old, they are given generalized periodontitis patient with all these features. Clinical attachment loss 6 mm, 1 to 2, nothing to do, 3 to 4, a little more, 5 to 6, bone goes down. So it is a stage 3. Bone loss extends to the middle third. Also tells about it is stage 3. Loss of teeth, stage 1 and stage 2, no loss of teeth. Here they are given loss of teeth. Stage 3, stage 4 also can involve the vertical bone loss and the furcation involvement. But the CAR level is 6 mm, which can tell us to the that it is stage 3. So one more question here, the HbA1c level is given 6.8, that is less than 7, that is directly goes to the grade B level. Smokes also 8 cigarettes per day, that is less than 10. It also tells that is a grade B.